If living your best life means 40 acres with a huge preserve, so it's like you have your own state forest in your backyard, as well as having a pond, a 3-stall barn, then you need to come with me to see this house. One of my favorite things about inside this house is its solid construction, number one, but the 9-foot ceilings. And it's not only on the first floor, we also have 9-foot ceilings on the fully finished lower level. And check out how wide these doorways are and these access ways to rooms. They don't build them like this anymore. I don't care what the temperature is now, you always love the warmth of a real wood-burning fireplace right here. So I'm standing outside on one of the decks of the house, and this deck overlooks the backyard, which also has the hardscaping with the hot tub and a solid built-in run for the dog, although the house does have invisible fencing. With 3 bedrooms on the main level, these bedrooms there's no small bedroom in this house. They're all enormous, and one of the things that I love are the really special touches that the builder put in these, such as the custom built-ins in the secondary bedroom, and this adjoins to the Jack and Jill bathroom, with on the other side, that bedroom has its own private deck overlooking the hot tub. I think this would be my favorite morning spot to have my cup of coffee or my pot of coffee. This house has got some really awesome safety features. Check this out. There's one upstairs and there's also one in the lower level. So when you're done riding the horses or doing your morning chores, you can come in here and get some iron pumped. And in the 4th bedroom in the lower level, there is ample storage in this wonderful cedar closet. So we're right here on Georgetown Road in Broad Run, which is about 15 minutes just west of Gainesville, which has access to Route 66. So easy commuting for those who want to be more towards the city, Herndon, Reston, Fairfax, even to DC. It's a great spot. But with that, you get the benefit of having 40 acres and over 36 of it is preserved. So you're not going to be worrying about anybody building something, putting up a data center, putting up a neighborhood. You buy it, you get to keep it. So if you'd like some more information or a private tour of this home, give us a call, hit the link below, get in contact with us. We'd love to help you out.
Hi, baby.